Come test drive the 2017 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.